What is going on, you guys? Luke here, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down the two fundamental concepts of any business for you. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and please smash that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on your notifications. If you like content relating to mindset, business, entrepreneurship, financial freedom, how to get ahead, all that type of stuff, we got it right here. So check out some of the other videos, smash that like button, and make sure to hit subscribe. All right, so jumping into today's topic, the two fundamental concepts that undergird every single business. Now, I don't care what the specifics of the business are, because obviously there's hundreds and thousands of different specific business models you could use, but the two fundamental concepts that are going to undergird all of this stuff, right? So this is what they should have been teaching us in high school and growing up and whatnot, but they failed to. So here we are. We're going to make up for it right here, all right? So number one, you need to have a product or service to sell that solves a problem people want solved, right? So you need to have a product or service that solves a problem, right? So let's run through some examples of this, right? So what are some problems people have? Their hair grows too long, right? So what is the service and product that will solve that problem? A barber. Their taxes are due and they don't know how to do them themselves. That's a problem. What kind of solution is there? Service or product? An accountant. That's a service. Or maybe QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an example of a software product that solves the problem of businesses needing to have accounting and keep track of that type of stuff, right? So what's another product to show? Okay, so businesses and people have the problem of needing more customers, of needing more leads, right? So what is the product or service that could solve that? Well, a marketing consultant. So basically with everything, when you think about your business, right, or what you're going to start, or you want to build a business, right, the number one question has to be, do you have a product or service that solves a problem that people want solved? If you're not solving a problem for people, they're not going to buy your stuff. They're not going to use your service, or they're at least not going to use it long-term consistently, right? So you have to solve their problem. Take one last example, right? So people have the problem of wanting to lose weight, to get healthier, right? So products and services that solve that. A trainer, diet pills. Not that those work necessarily, but it's nutritional supplements, right? All of these products and services, they solve a problem that people have. So that's the number one concept you need to really internalize if you're going to start a successful business, right? You have to have a product that solves a problem people have. So the number two concept that is crucial to all this is like, all right, so now you have the product. You have a product or service. You have a golden idea, right? You have a great gift wrap, bow box, golden idea, right? All right. So then the next question with any business becomes, who is my clientele and how do I reach them? Most importantly, how do I reach them and how do I get them to buy my product, right? So that's the second concept that you have to understand in any business. I don't care what type of business it is, right? So how do you reach your clientele? How do you reach the people that have the problem that you can solve, right? And when we look at this, right, there's some older ways. So the old way used to be newspaper ads, but obviously ads in general, right? So ads are a good way, and the old way used to be newspaper or print ads, right? Print ads, right? And then there's referral. So what you need to understand is like these concepts, the ways you reach people may have, the specifics of them have changed, but the overarching concept is still the same, right? So it used to be you'd reach people through ads and print media. That's now just simply social media. The number one way in today's economy to reach customers, social media, right? Number two, referrals. Referrals used to be the tried and true way to promote your business back a while ago, and they still kind of are, except the space has changed. So now a referral is called affiliate marketing, because that's all affiliate marketing truly is. It's just a referral. It's a digital version of a referral, right? So when you're thinking about your business, right, you need to stop thinking, or first at least stop thinking in too specific details and think about how you solve your broader problem, right? So how do you reach and get people and get them to buy your service? That's your problem. And funny enough, it's when you look at stuff this way, you realize, well, that is a problem that other people are solving too. So people have gotten in business and have successful businesses based on the problem of solving your business problem of how do you reach your customers. So that's what a marketing agency is. That's what all those type of services do. They're just solving your existing problem. So number one, don't forget, you have to have a product or service that solves an existing marketplace problem. And number two, you have to get to reaching those customers. You have to reach them and get your message, your product in front of them. All right. So real quick, that's the bulk of it. That's most of what I was kind of going to outline for you guys. But as a quick little bonus for watching this whole way and smashing that like button and subscribing, we're going to go over the best ways to reach your clients with your product or service in 2020. So number one, and this is basically going to be the list. There's some other ways, but this is the number one way, and you know it. You already know it's coming. Facebook ads slash Instagram, because they own it. Ads, that's the number one way. The number one way is Facebook and Instagram ads in 2020. You have to know, if you're gonna have a successful business, you have to either know how to handle this stuff yourself or have someone handling your Facebook and Instagram advertising for you. So that's the number one way. And then another thing that is obviously still today is, so it's a referral, but it's helping yourself, right? So let's say that's something that social media has allowed everyone to do. Everyone has a bigger network now, right? So it's referral marketing for yourself. So when I say that, I mean, you want to build your social media profiles even when it's not paid advertising, right? Media presence, right? So you need to build that. So let's say you have a business as an accountant. It behooves you to have a lot of followers on Instagram and Facebook on your personal stuff. And that's going to be a quick way for you to get referrals, right? So build your personal brand, right? So if your primary product or service is you're an accountant, right? That's your thing, right? You want to be sure that you're presenting that on your Facebook page and on your Instagram page, because you'd be amazed at how much reach you just kind of have. People don't realize that in today's modern world, you're a part of a big network of nodes, right? Imagine just nodes like everywhere, a big network, a spider web of nodes, and you're a node, and you don't even realize it, but you have a reach of at least 1,000 people. You'll know at least 1,000 people in your lifetime on a personal level, right? Or at least you've met them, right? And those people are going to know 1,000 people. So you're basically one person removed from 1,000,000 people. So you definitely want to be building your personal social media presence and putting that out there and start building your personal brand. Because how awesome would it be if everyone in your local community kind of just knew you as the accounting guy, or as the lawyer, or as the doctor guy, right? That would really skyrocket your service, your business. Or let's say you're the marketing guy, right? You're the master social media marketing guy. How great would it be if on all your social media presence, people could quickly realize, like, oh, he's all about the marketing. If I have some marketing needs, I can reach out to him real quick. So that's it. That's the two fundamental concepts of business that everyone needs to know. Just a quick recap. Number one, have a product or service that people want, that it's solving a problem in the market. And number two, find a way to reach those people that you have a solution for, whether it be in-person referrals, digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram ads, or just your online presence, getting you referrals, whatever it is. I don't care what business you're in. Those are the two fundamental concepts you need to understand and really conquer. If you do anything, make sure you start to learn Facebook and digital advertising. I can't stress that enough in the modern age. Start learning Facebook and Instagram ads if you're trying to really make it, all right? So that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some value out of it. I hope you took a little something away. If you did, Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, and check out our other videos. I'm going to be posting a new video at least every single week. So check that out and follow me on Instagram, social media, whatever it is. All right, thank you. I'll see you next time.